Hi Mia.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a video on our laptop using the camera on our laptop, not our camera. Okay. You know what I wanted to ask you? We've had some Japanese students come to stay with us, right? Do you remember their names?
Tohei, Siami, and Cintuo.
Okay. So who was the first one?
Cintuo.
Okay. Who do you think stayed the longest? Tricky to say. Yeah. Okay. What do you remember about Shintaro, Lily?
Let's see. He kind he liked monkey. It sits on the laptop, and he got Magic and Yu-Gi-Oh towards, and he didn't pass it either much, but he played Magic and Yu-Gi-Oh with my brother.
Okay. But you enjoyed having him here or not so much?
It was fun.
Okay. And then after that was Tiami, right?
Yeah.
What did you do with Tiami though?
Well, she was more nice. She was more. She played with me more than and the first one. And it was very fun having her. So it was hard to say goodbye to her.
It was hard to say goodbye. She called you She called you her BFF. Do you remember?
Yeah, because I told her, she's my BFF too because she's a Japanese student.
Do you know why the Japanese students come to stay with us?
They wanted to on interest, and they thought we would be very nice people, and we are.
Are we? Oh, okay. What sort of things did Tiami teach you though?
Well, Toei was the only one who taught Japanese animals, paper animals, because I didn't want to scare me, and but it was very fun to have her. So it was hard to say goodbye.
Do you know what you did a lot with Tiami that maybe you've forgotten? Is you guys used to draw lots of things, right? You drew a lot of things with her, and you did other crafty things with her. Do you remember? You made that sand art. Do you remember?
Oh yeah, she told me and teach me.
Yeah, so you did a lot of things like that. Okay, so good. Our new student's name is Kohei, right?
Yeah.
And you wanted to tell us a little bit about what he taught you.
Well,
what he showed you.
He taught us to make paper animals. It's taught our dog. It's very easy to make a dog face. All you have to do is take a piece of paper, fold it in half in a triangle, oh, oh, then and turn it over, and then fold it, then open it up, then bend some ears like this. It's quite easy. So, okay, first, you see this piece of paper, you fold it, and you might want it at the toe, right?
Hold it there. Doesn't matter now.
You see that? Like that. And then fold it in.
So you're folding it into a triangle again.
Yeah, like this. And then you open it up. I don't probably know why you do that for. Then you just fold the meat like this. Then you're almost done. All you have to do is bend the point right here. And there you go. Now you just have to draw a face. But make sure you make one that won't bend in with your hand.
Yeah. So you don't want the colors to blend in. I thought you had another example of a dog.
Oh yeah, the Pokemon. But I put it away.
Oh, you put it away?
Yeah, I didn't
Do you want to show what other things you've made with Kohe?
We made this one. See? My rubber band, and also made some more dormy with that. I didn't really know what we were making when we were making this one. I started with a penguin, but I didn't know how to make a penguin. But I asked one's even more because they are trying to put it in penguins.
Okay, so there's a penguin. That's one.
And also, there's this red frog. See? And it's in dump.
Should we bend this down?
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
And then it is boop.
And he jumps. Okay. What else is in your box of tricks?
Well, there's a tiny frog that I wanted to use blue. There was tiny paper.
Can you hold it up so we can see it, Debbie? You might need
I
to
did
hold
a
it
face.
still. Yes, you did a face.
And then you want to see it all? Bend this finger,
Um,
please.
Okay, last thing. Last time we do the bending because it makes me feel sick.
Okay, now. Boop.
Okay. There's something else Kohe showed you right in the beginning on the first day that he was here.
Oh, yeah.
That's a box they made. Okay, Ella, beep beep flappy. Beep beep flappy.
Yep, a book.
Okay, can you show that please?
And
Beep beep Ella.
I folded a piece of paper. And then
Ella, 1 minute.
first I touched
1 minute, Mia.
First I cut this tape. Then I cut this tape. This tape. And then and I had and then I folded it. Then I drew my name and my name in Japanese. And so I put some stickers on too, Japanese stickers, the Welsh pencils. So I put them in this one. And I got some panda bears if you can see. So, and I wrote my actual name in there too. And at the back, I put some more stickers and put my name, my Japanese name on the edges.
Mm-hmm. So Kohe taught you to write your name in Japanese. Do you remember how to do it?
Oh yes, quite easy.
It's quite easy.
All you do is take a piece of paper and a pen. Then you just do this. It's an old, it's a big eye.
Do you want to show it what it looks like, please?
I wrote it a lot of times.
Okay, it's hard to see in this light. Okay, is there anything else you wanted to tell Shannon about the Japanese students?
Oh, well, they're very fun. And they very teach us a lot of stuff.
Is there anything else you learned?
Well, it was hard to say goodbye to,
Sorry, Lovey, I can't hear you. I'm
it
sorry.
was hard to say goodbye to
Yes.
two of them.
Yes.
But at the new one, we don't have to say goodbye to yet.
Okay, so is there anything else you learned from them? Did you learn anything about Japan?
See, Tiari left us a toad and some discs. It sees very nice. That's how nice he is. But a deer, the centaur didn't. But
Yes, he
a
did.
dad, he did. But after he did, I just did off.
That's okay. That's
Well,
okay.
it's
Yeah.
hard to say goodbye to both of them.
Yeah.
And
So do you enjoy having Japanese students in
Yeah.
your house? Would you recommend it to other people to do?
I was thinking of it, but I don't boss around.
Would you recommend having Japanese students to other people?
Yes.
Yeah. Why?
Because they're very fun and playful, and they can teach you how to make Japanese animals.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want to tell Shannon?
Well, the paper animals are told all adore me.
Is there anything else you want to tell Shannon?
let's see. I'm thinking.
It's okay, you don't need to.
Um,
Okay, shall we say goodbye?
Bye.
Thank you.